I welcome you all to Jagan Institute of Management Studies, Rohini, Delhi. JIMS was established in 1993. Since then, it has become a well reputed institute of management and IT. You can reach JIMS by all means of transportation. Metro is the most convenient mode to reach JIMS. JIMS is just next to Ruthala metro station. When you enter JIMS, you would see the statue of late Sri Jagannath Gupta, in whose memory JIMS was set. Our PGDM program, 2-year full time, provides dual specialization in finance, marketing, human resource, information technology, and international business. Admission to our PGTM program is through CAT, MAT, followed by group discussion and personal interview. JIMS is committed to provide world class infrastructure and ambience. The infrastructure of gyms has infinity rooms for the students. We have fully air conditioned classrooms, conference room, and auditorium. Our library has large volume of books and high-tech audio-visual system. JIMS has contemporary and cutting-edge facilities including world-class servers, Wi-Fi network campus, and wide range of hardware and software packages.
Hello friends, I extend a very warm welcome to you. I am Professor R.P. Maheshwari, Director General, Jagan Institute of Management Studies, New Delhi. Friends, I have been in the teaching profession for more than 55 years now. I retired as Vice Principal Shri Ram College of Commerce in 1994 and since then I am with JIMS. JIMS is providing management education, all-inclusive theory and practice. Its culture is based on proactive help and active interaction. It aims at improving the quality of education by inspiring the new aspirants to improve their intellect, work hard, and innovate new strategies to combat the problems of the fast-changing business environment. It stimulates their thinking process, skills and confidence. It imparts knowledge with in-depth understanding and complete involvement. It helps the students to acquire skills and change their attitude to develop global mindset. It promotes the culture of entrepreneurship with effective communication skills, grows their personality and enables them to take right decisions at the right moment. Friends, at the end, I would be too glad to invite you to the institute. I hope you would be enjoying your stay at my institute. I once again thank you and wish you all good luck.
Hello students, my name is Dr. J.K. Goyal. I am Director JIMS, Jagan Institute of Management Studies. Well friends, before coming to JIMS, I had done my Masters and PhD from the prestigious Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi. JIMS has an excellent infrastructure. We are very well located which is connected from all parts of the city. We have excellent classrooms, we have computer labs, we have library and experienced faculty. Apart from faculty, we get lots of people from corporate sector who give hands-on experience, who deliver in case studies, and this is how the teaching methodology goes. GIMS has a strength in terms of providing live projects to the students, summer training, internship, case studies. This is how we follow. We have a trimester system in which student gets detailed knowledge of aspects of marketing, finance, HR, international business and information technology. The strength of GIMS lies in its placement activities. We have ensured fortunately 100% placement over the last 16 years. We get recruiters from banking, insurance, IT sector, information technology. We get FMCG sector. These recruiters come to GIMS because GIMS is ranked among the top 20 institutions in India. We get students from all over India. That is why cultural, ethnic and other integration takes place. If you feel that you need professional education, then I invite you to GIMS. Welcome to GIMS. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Madan Mohan, having more than 25-year experience in industry and academics. I am working as Dean in GIMS for last 5 years. GIMS is known for its transparent admission process, excellent academic inputs, regular corporate exposure and outstanding placement records. I wish you good luck and a bright future ahead.
We have an excellent range of lecturers for PGTM program.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shikha N. Khera, faculty at Jagan Institute of Management Studies, Rohini, Delhi. I am an English Literature graduate from Sri Venkateshwara College, University of Delhi and a doctorate from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. It's been 9 years that I am associated with GIMS. We at GIMS are committed towards designing practice-oriented learning and contemporary industry-focused curriculum. It is an excellent platform for those bright young minds who want to excel in their managerial skills. So come and see yourself what you and GIMS can do together.
Hi, I'm Deepthi Kakkar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Management. I've been associated with GIMS for more than 5 years. I hold a bachelor's in economics and master's in economics from Delhi University. I've also done my MBA in financial management and I'm UGC NET qualified. Currently, I'm planning to embark on research work. My primary areas of interest include managerial economics and Indian business environment. Life at GIMS has been full of learning, and I think over the last 5 years, I have grown intellectually. Students in this college are ambitious and keen to learn. Although they come from varied academic backgrounds, they easily get into the mainstream. It is interesting to know that many of the students who top in subjects like economics come from non-commerce backgrounds. GIMS provides an excellent ground to the students who wish to become management leaders tomorrow. Thank you.
Hi, I'm S.C. Kapoor. I'm a product of Delhi University. Presently, I'm associated with GIMS as professor. At the moment, I'm instrumental in nurturing the managers the corporate need for tomorrow. The action orientation of today calls for to give them practical exposure what the challenges lie ahead in future. For that matter, the approach has been to give them a live exposure. Theory anybody can teach, but making things look happen is something what the paradigm shift I have always focused. Associated more into the field of behavioral science, particularly HR and other dimensions. The attitude to deal with the students has been is not to make them theoreticians. It's more to make them the managers who will provide solution. The paradigm shift, what the customer demands, is what I believe in inculcating in the students. And the best part there is the students take upfront lead. Innovation is a habit to us. At GIMS we say people are encouraged to think from the right brain. That's again, mark my words, 4% population of the world think only from right brains. So why not try where others have never thought of, to give exposure to my students in terms of learning, performing, sharing, mentoring, and many roles. The idea behind all these shows is to boost the confidence not by catching their hands, but by making things happen. The good thing I've found at GIMS amongst students is they enjoy if you give them space. They love if you give them a place to perform. They feel excited to face the challenge. One lesson for the upcoming students: test your luck, best you're already. Thank you.
In GIMS, we provide peer learning facilities in which students play proactive roles. Here, we are organizing various guest lectures and various management activities, including business quiz and other management games. To refresh the students, GIMS organizes various events with famous celebrities. GIMS has cafeterias. GIMS has various sports facilities available. In GIMS, we have Corporate Resource Management Center.
Hi, I'm Jyoti Nair. I'm heading the Corporate Resource Management Center at GIMS Rohini. CRMC acts as an interface among the students, faculties, and the industry. We actively conduct activities like workshops, seminars, and industrial visits to support the core objective of placements.
In this, we have seminars, webinars, industrial visits, live projects, and summer internship programs. GIMS has a chain of multinational and national recruiters who visit our campus regularly for the placements. GIMS has an alumni cell in which we have our most efficient and successful personals who bring their experience and expertise to our students on a regular basis to update them about the trends of contemporary corporate world.
Hi, I'm Karambir Rai. My friends call me KB, and that's how I was known in GIMS. GIMS happened to me in 1996 when I had just moved to Delhi from Bombay. What GIMS gave me, besides some valuable friendships, is the fact that that was the first time in my life, I was 20 years old in 1996, that there was a sense of brotherhood which came out of doing common projects, because GIMS was a curriculum which is based, like every MBA is, it was based on project-led experiences which were great fun. So the bonds that we created in the process of making those presentations, working on those projects, was great fun. GIMS taught me about organizing big events, because we used to do that quite regularly. And then we passed out in 1998. I did my major in marketing and I joined advertising. I've been in the field of advertising for the last now 11 years. I'm currently with Rediffusion YNR as a business head, handling the Airtel business. What GIMS helped me in my professional life was that, in advertising, it is all about presenting ideas, and GIMS was a very integral part in my creative process of coming up with ideas of presentations, even when I'm making professional presentations.